All right, guys, like I said, I'm in the red. Now, these are my pajamas. These are in pink. Okay, so I'm going to just leave these on the bed. It's a matching set, shirt, and pants. All right, so now we come, and then these are my gym outfits. So now this is in the blue because I couldn't find my, well, this shirt is black, and then this is the same blue top that I had from the other vacation that I got from the cruise ship. So I'm taking that with me. All right, but here we go. We got underwear. You don't need to know what that is. All right, these are my biker shorts for the gym. I'm wearing the same sneakers for the gym. I don't care if I match or not. All right, so in this bag, I do have a pair of black flats. And the reason why is because I'm not sure who I'm going to meet here. I'm not sure, what could jump off, if you will. And because this is a business conference, I said, let me just play it safe just in case they say, let's go here, and where they want to go, you can't wear sneakers. You have to wear shoes. So that's why I said, let me pack that. All right, and then in this bag are my slippers. My pink slippers that go, you can kind of see it. Pink slippers, fuzzies that go with my pink pajamas. Now, I never mentioned this before, but I have an issue with my feet where I cannot wear anything like too flat. Like it has to have a little height to it. Okay, so even my slippers have to have a little height. It helps with my posture and everything else like that. Man, it's really hard to hold a camera and do things at the same time. But yeah, so yeah, you've definitely seen these slippers, same slippers. I'm not buying, new clothes every time I go away. All right, but you guys get the idea. It's soft soled, and it has a little height to it. Not too much though. But yeah, I brought those. So those are pink. But as you can see, I have another plain red shirt. I have another plain red pants. This pants, by the way, it has pockets all up and down, not just on the side. Then I have another plain red pants. All right, so now this shirt is printed, and then this shirt has the fringe on it, and then this is just another plain red shirt with a white stripe in the middle, and then this is red tights. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I bought for my 5-day time here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the schedule, and then of course iron my clothes and figure out what it is I'm gonna wear. Here's what I noticed. Even though outside is 40 something odd degrees, inside the hotel is pretty warm, So yeah, let me put my vest and my jacket. I'm gonna have to hang that up in the closet. But yeah, inside is pretty warm. Yes, you can adjust the temperature here As a matter of fact, I'm just going to raise it up just a little bit. But even when you leave your room, it's a lot warmer than outside. So the conference room, when I went there today, they wasn't really set up. I went to the front desk and they're telling me, oh no, registration was today around 11. So I'm like, well, I didn't get here on time then. But they'll have it tomorrow again at 4. I checked the website. The website has different dates than what the people at the front desk is telling me. So I'm a little bit concerned. I decided I'm not, if it does end on Monday instead of Sunday like they mentioned, I'm not going to stay an extra day. I'm going to leave because it's just too much. It's too much. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. Until next time.